You will need a star bit and Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by unplugging the chiller. Remove the chiller top screws on the front, back, left, and right sides. Remove the 2 screws in front. Remove the 2 screws in the back. Remove the 3 screws on the left side. Remove the 3 screws on the right side. Once all screws are removed, lift the top up to expose a single barrel connection on the underside of the top. Unscrew the barrel connection on the underside of the chiller top. Place your old chiller top to the side. Grab the new chiller top. Screw the barrel connection into the underside of the chiller top, ensuring the prongs are lined up properly. The barrel connection will not go in if the prongs are not lined up properly. Place the new top on the chiller. Put the screws back on. The replacement is now complete.